Alright guys, hello again. Here we are with day 6 of 30 days of code using Python, and in this challenge let's review. It's called Let's Review, and basically we are reviewing our skills in code and in Python specifically. So alright, so what we will get is basically a simple input like this, indicating an integer of how many strings we are getting, and we should generate 2 strings of every string. The first string is the letters that has their index as an even number, and the second string the letters that has their index as an odd number. Alright, so for example, hacker, we will generate, we have H, C, and E as even indexes, so we're going to generate H, C, E, and we have A, key, and R as odd index or odd numbers, so we will get those letters and generate the second string. So we will have HCE and AKR and rank for the same. Anyway, so let's jump in. First, we want to get that integer because it's really important to know how many strings we are getting. So we'll say number of strings, don't forget the underscore, and we will get an integerized version of the input, which is the first line. Then for every line in number of string, let's change the strings just to be more clear. Then here we will say string would equal input. Now if we print string over here, just to make sure we have a working version, we should see hacker and rank. Object is not iteratable. Wait, what? Alright, yeah, here we could say range. Sorry, here we must have range. So let's run the code again. Alright, so our output is hacker and rank. Their input is the integer, which using this integer we indicate that we want to get 2 inputs, or we are receiving 2 inputs. Perfect. So now we can loop for every, let's say for I, in the range of the length of this string. So for hacker it has 6 letters, so this would be 6 in the range of 6, starting with 0, so it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will now check to see if I module 2 equals 0. Basically what does this do is checks if I, which is the number we have while we are in the loop of this, we'll check if I divided by 2 does not give any remaining, because if it does, that means that this number is not divided by 2 without remaining, which means it's even, or in other words, it's odd, which is not even. So if I is module 2 equals 0, that means it's even. So if that's true, we'll get the string, which is the string we are getting from the input, and we are going to get the index that I is currently in, and alright, so we have 2 parts, okay? So we have even string and we have odd string. Let's create those, it's gonna help us. So then here we can say even string even string equals even string plus string and the index we are working with. Else that means it's odd, so you'll have odd string equals odd string plus string I. So if the I is even, we are going to add the letter of the string to the even string. If it's not even, then it's odd, we're gonna add it to the odd string. And once we've finished with this, we're gonna just print even string and odd string. Let's run the code now. Hello. All right, we've passed it. Let's submit the code just to make sure. Perfecto. Congrats, guys. Here we've done day 6 with Let's Review. So yeah, that's it for this video, and hope to see you in the next challenge or next. So see you then. Bye.